How to change default SMS app on your Samsung A54 smartphone. So the A54 smartphone here, the Android 13, One UI 5.0. To find these settings, you can use the quick panel access. Tap on the settings gear icon here, and you can use the search settings here and simply just type in the words default apps, or as you start to type in default, you'll see choose default apps, okay? So go to that. Then you'll go here to the top section where it says choose default apps. And from here, you'll go until you see SMS app. Now you can go ahead and change between the apps here that's available. So only compatible apps will show here. And this will be your default receiving SMS app, like default text messages, default images sent through texting would be one of these here. Okay, so you can select it. And in some cases, it's going to ask you to restart your phone. And of course, just do that and then it should be set. Okay, you can come back and change that at any given time. And thanks for watching.